This is a vintage Panasonic turntable model RD7673 automatic turntable. So it's in pretty decent shape. Everything is operable on it. Could use maybe a little more detail cleaning in some corners, in some areas. But I'll get a picture of it here for you. And here's the back side. There's the model number, and there's also a outlet on the back for other appliances, it says. And I'm going to go ahead and put a 33 LP on here. It's good for, so 16, 33, 45, 78. I don't really have any 45s or 78s or the spacer there for the 45s, but I do have an old Fifth Dimensions record here. We'll put that arm on there. Okay, we're going to start it up. Then we'll hit the button there. That pops up. Very cool. And there we go. It drops like it should. The arm here to the needle just clips into there, so it kicks it out. And it's got pretty decent sound. I just have one Zenith Allegro speaker hooked up to it right now. So you can turn the volume up a little bit. But there it is. And it's pretty clean and no major damage. Some minor scratching, if you can see that. Wouldn't take much to get it finished up here. I'll turn it down a little bit. And you see it's got some minor scratching there. It wouldn't take a lot to clean that up. Maybe have some Murphy's oil, or if that's your thing, or if you want to refinish it. Oh, lighting's not very good, but this side looks cleaner. I'm going to scratch my record. The volume on here is a little sensitive on the electronic multiplex. But here's the shield for it. It's got your regular light kind of swirly scratches in it, but there's no cracks in it anywhere. Of course, that won't fit on there unless you have a 45 on there, or the record is off. There you go. I'll leave that playing. This volume is a little touchy on the multiplex. That might need some cleaning. There we go. This is also for sale. It's an electrophonic multiplex AM/FM stereo. You can hook up a tape deck like I have here to it, or your phono. And it's the model R12. And it's fairly clean. It's got some scuffing on the wood grain. And the volume is real touchy, so that probably needs some cleaning underneath there. And the balance works. I only have one speaker right now. My other speaker doesn't have the port. It's just got open wires on it. And the bass works. Treble. So it all works. And or you can put it on your FM. All works fine.
You're doing, and it tastes darn good too. All right, good talk.
So all the options work. Now you can put it on back on tape or phono. And I'll shut this off for now. Should clip right down and back on that post. There it goes. So that works terrific. Oh, you leave it on tape and funnel. And this is a Sound Design 8-track. And it's not in bad shape. You know, it's got its usual, a little fading, a little scuffing, some minor scratches, but there's no major damage, as you can see. And it is a, see, it's a model 483. Now it plays, but it sounds like the belt is loose, like it might need a new belt or some work. This is an old Letterman's 8-track. We'll put that in there. See how that kind of sounds pretty goofy, but I'm sure it's, some of you professionals could easily fix that. And here's the selector. Maybe it just needs some cleaning. I'm not a tech. I'm not really adept at repairing these, but I try to find vintage electronic items and sell them at a reasonable price. Of course, there's the back side, and all three will be for sale. And you know where. Okay, appreciate you watching this. Got the Panasonic turntable, the multiplex, and the Sound Design 8-track. And thank you for watching.